Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy CFD on XTB, Guide for Beginners. So in the Market Watch window here, we can see that most of the stocks that come up will be CFDs. As a CFD is an asset that you can speculate on the price going down or up. You don't necessarily own the asset. However, if you want just the CFDs, go to this menu here, press arrow, ETFs and more. And then here we can see all of the CFDs. Or we can type CFD here, and we can see all of the CFDs. However, if it has the symbol there, then it will be the CFD. So go ahead and click on that. If you want to buy, click on the market, and then here you'll see the chart window of that particular market. If you press open chart here, and here we can select an amount that we want to place on the trade. Here we can set stop losses and take profits. Go ahead and set that, make sure it's on, and then press buy, and then that will execute the trade. And as you can see here, you'll see my stop loss and take profit, in which you can edit in real time. So yeah, that's how you do that, guys. I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.